Alright, so now I want to show you how to add a button onto your RE/MAX provided website so that a consumer can go to your website and write a review that will be posted to your Zillow profile so that everyone can see it if they're looking for an agent on Zillow.com. So now we're going to go over to Lead Street. Now, once you log into Lead Street, you want to click on Site Builder and you want to go to design because I'm going to put it in two different places. One in the profile on your main homepage, and we also want to add a link to your navigation buttons at the top so it's easier for a consumer to find. So you can just refer them to your website and they can write their review there instead of them having to search for you and all that stuff. So what I'm going to do is we're going to focus on Site Builder, then go to Design, and then go to Layout. So I'm going to click on Layout, and what that'll do is it'll take me basically to this page. So we're looking at the layout right now, and my idea is to place the Zillow icon here in the bio for your page. So next we're going to scroll down to the profile left section, and we're going to click on it. What it'll do is it'll open up the editor for you, and we're going to add the icon, and then we're going to make that icon clickable just like we did in the email signature. So first thing we have to do though is upload that logo or that image into the graphics library so we can pull it over. So we're going to click on Open Photo Graphics Library, and it's going to open up a window for you. You're going to click Add Image. We're going to click Choose File, and we're going to locate the file that is on the desktop. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom to Zillow, which is where it is. I'm going to click Open and click Upload and click Yes, I acknowledge and accept. So now you can't see it, but when you click on it up here, you'll see that that's the image we want. Now, how do you get it over to the area that you want it? What you have to do is you select it over here on the left-hand side, then you're going to left click with your mouse, hold that down, and then drop it over to the right, down into the middle of the editor. So now it's a little bit off, so I'm going to come down here and click Enter, and then it's a little large, so let's see if we can get it resized. So to resize it, take your left mouse and just sort of go to the right and highlight it in blue, and then we're going to use the crossbars here to minimize it, make it a little bit smaller. So I'm going to make it a little bit smaller than this just because it's going to be a little bit bigger on your screen when you get there. So next I'm going to do again is I'm going to highlight it in blue. I'm going to come over here to the insert link so it looks like a little chain. I'm going to click there, and then that URL that we found earlier, let me grab that URL real quick. So I'm going to copy this. So we're going to highlight it, right click, copy, and then we're going to go over and we're going to right click paste into the URL, click OK, and we're going to leave the target as none. And the reason we want to do that is because if you click new window, it opens up in a new window and it could potentially take your person away from your website. We want to keep them there for as long as we can. Even if they've already done a transaction with you, the longer they hang out, the better. So the next step I'm going to do, since we've created this into a hyperlink, I'm going to click on Submit. Next, I'm going to click Preview over here on the right-hand side. Just let us know what it looks like. So I'm going to scroll down and see how it's small. So it's there. It's not intrusive. People kind of know what it is. But if you need to go in and fix that, what we're going to do is we're going to click Cancel here. It's going to go back, and we'll just scroll down to the Profile section again, click on it, and then we're going to left click, drag over to the blue. We'll make it a little bit bigger so it's a little bit more easy to read. Then we're going to click Submit, Preview, scroll down and take a look, and there it is, a little bit larger. And if you'll notice as I take my mouse, the little hyperlink option comes up. So I'm going to go ahead and click Publish Live. So now I'm going to refresh my screen here. The consumer goes to Anita's website, they can click on the Review Me on Zillow. When they click on it, it's going to go out to her Zillow profile page so they can write a review. Now another way you can do it if you don't want to have an icon down there, you can always add it as a navigation link. Okay, so to do that, we're going to go back over into Lead Street. We're going to go to Site Builder, then we're going to go to Content, then we're going to go to Pages. And then what we're going to do is we're going to actually scroll all the way down, and we're going to click Add New under main navigation button. The thing you need to know about navigation buttons is they just create links. So you can't create a whole set of new menu options. So I'm going to click Add New, and I'm going to just type in write a review. I'm not going to use the word Zillow, I'm just going to say write a review. And sort order, basically at the top, those are numbered 0 through 100. So we could do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to place this at number 15. I'm going to click Add Navigation button. And now when I go up and I refresh my screen, you'll see a link that says Write a Review up here at the top. So I'm going to come down here, and since we set it as number 15, we're going to scroll back up to this, and we're going to click Edit Button Properties, and then we want to select Custom URL down here at the bottom section, and we're just going to paste that URL in, and we're going to uncheck the Open in New Window because we want to keep them to where they can just hit the back button and go back to your page. So I'm going to click Submit, and now you actually have it for Anita's page. We have a Write a Review link up at the top and a Write a Review link down here in the middle of her page. So it gets them in both spots.